Hello everyone, today I will be showing you a demonstration on how you can use Mailchimp for sending your emails and using its capabilities for your own gain. Now if you want to sign up or log in, you will have to do so, and right here you will click sign up for free and you will fill what you have to fill. After you're done with your sign up or your login, you will be led to this page of its dashboard, and this is what you will see when you are done signing up. Now there are a lot of things that you can do here. You can you are able to make campaigns, audience, and automations, and so on. You will click to create logo here. Now you will click on the design email right here, and you will be led to this page. And if you just remove this out of the way, you can see that you are given with the basics for your email to be sent. Now you have to fill your recipients to whom you're sending to, and if you click on add recipients, you can click import contacts, and you can import from under service, upload a file if you have a CVS or a TXT file, or you can copy it and paste it from as simple as that. If I just press copy and paste and continue, I will just select a random John Decker at gmail.com. We'll just use a random email for now, and you can use a status for your to the person whom you're sending a subscribed to your business or your organization, or unsubscribe, non-subscribed, clean. So I'll just press subscribe for now and then continue to tag. Now I will continue to match and finalize my import. Again, this is just for an example, so a lot of things were left unfilled, and complete import. And then we can return and your import was successful, and you'll click on return to campaign creation. After you're done filling up your recipient's name, you will head over to create email, and you will head over to template. Now we'll get started, and then you will be brought to this page where you are given layout for your email that you can use, and some you need to buy, some it is free. But now we will use a theme email so that it will be easier for you and effortless for you. Suppose we are advertising, we will use a pre-made theme. Let me just search for it for a second. Oh, perfect. Sale announcement right here. You will click on that. Now this is the template that was already pre-made that we will use for our own email, and the things you can do here are actually pretty a lot. You can start by pressing here, that will edit this part, and then once you hover over this area, there will be an editing tab that will allow you to edit the content and the style, the color, and the settings, one column and everything. Now you can add more, please click me, and as you can see, it adds up right here. Now if you want to change the color of this, you can change the size, you can change the color. I'll make this a little bit bigger, as you can see. Now you can make it red, you can make it black, you can make it orange. That'll be of your preference. And if you scroll down, you will see that you can also edit this part, cancel out stuff that's been written, or add gibberish like, hey ya, come visit us ASAP. Visit us ASAP. And there you go. As simple as that. It gets changed and edited as you like. Now something that you can also do is if you press escape on your keyboard, and then if you press on the random background and style, it will give you the page, and you will have the background color here, which means you can change the background of this whole template. And if I press right here, you will change to red. And let me just search a color that will match the theme of this. There we go. And if you head down over here, there are a lot of things that you can do as well. I would like you to discover and play around here and discover what you can edit, what you can change, and this all depends on your personal preference. And also something you can do with the pictures here is that you can click on it and click replace, and as you can see, I've already uploaded a picture here already, and if you want to upload another picture, you'll press upload here and pick out any picture that you wanted, open it, and it will upload right here on the screen. And as you can see, this is not what I want, so I'll replace it with a bike, so that will make it more appropriate. Insert, and there you are. Once you are all done with this, you can click save and close and preview and test, and there it is. This is what you will see on your desktop. If you click mobile, that is what you will see on your mobile, and that is pretty much it. You can press X again, and right here at the bottom there is a save and exit. You can name your template here bike sale, and there you go. Your template is done and is ready to be shared. Now once you're done with your save and exit, you will see your template right here, and you will click on the box, and right on this right corner you will click create campaign, and you will prepare it to be sent to your audience. And as you can see, everything's ready, and if you want to add subject, I will write the biggest sale yet, exclamation mark. Maybe you can write preview text like it is true, or whatever you want to write. That will be on your preference, and you will save it, and then you will click send or schedule, which you can do. I'll click send for right now, and the email will send to the people that you want to be sent. And there it is. That is how you use Mailchimp for sending out email easily and effortlessly with pre-made templates. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if indeed, please give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.